we practice, we work very hard, and our team, we deserve your support. These kids, they've been working their butts off, and hopefully the result will show tonight. Thanks to Steelers for coming out. This is an awesome opportunity for everybody involved, and I'm happy to be a part of it. So thank you.
We're here today because of the Fantennial. The Pittsburgh Steelers are here today at our assembly, so we want to welcome them and give them a round of applause. We want to start off by wishing the team the best of luck tonight. And now, first of all, I would just like to thank Mr. Mike Marchinsky, who's here with us. He's director who helped put all of this together. Thank you very much. At this time, we'd like a big round of applause for ex-Steeler and kicker, Sean Sweesom. Sean, thank you, come on.
Hello, everybody. The Golden Beavers, before we get started, I'm only going to talk for a few minutes. Don't worry, I won't bore you to death, okay? But the Golden Beavers, let's try something. So when I point at a different group, cheerleaders, football players, boys, girls, and teachers, if I say Golden, you're going to say Beavers, okay? We're going to see who's got the greatest school spirit. Golden. 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 Boys, golden. Ladies, golden. Teachers, golden. We're going to try one more time. Ready? Golden. Golden. Ladies, golden. Gentlemen, golden. Teachers, golden. Now everybody together, golden. That's pretty cool. I grew up in a small town in a school just like this in a country north of the United States of America. Anybody know that country? Anybody know the country north of the United States of America? Canada. Okay. Once upon a time I was a kicker just like you, number 51. Come on over here. Come here. It's pretty cool. They seem to like you. You must be pretty good. You ever been booed? Don't boo them, it's not as easy as it looks, okay? Cheer them on. So I grew up in a school just like this. We had a football field that we played our games on. We practiced on it. Boys and girls soccer used it. We didn't have bleachers, we had 2 picnic tables. We didn't have a scoreboard, and we sure didn't have lights. So we used to have a flag guy that would hold up a different colored flag every quarter and let you know how much time is left, okay? My point is this, opportunity is there for every single one of us in our own unique way. When I grew up, I didn't think I was going to end up playing 11 years in the National Football League or moving to another country. But I wanted to be a hockey player, but I wasn't good enough. So I got stuck being a kicker. This is my point. If you guys, if you work hard, if you're a good human being, and you're wide open to opportunity when it presents itself, and maybe it's not going to be a kicker in the NFL, it could be whatever it is you want. But if you're open and willing to take that opportunity, take that chance and go with it, it could take you anywhere. What's your dream, young man? Be successful in life. I think he already has wisdom. Very good. Okay, we're going to try to cheer one more time. We're going to bring up your head coach, okay? So when I look at you, you ready? Let's try to make it a little bit better. Golden! 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 Ladies, golden! You ladies are awesome. Gentlemen, golden! Teachers, golden! Now everybody, we're going to do it 3 times. You're going to lead us, okay? You got golden 3 times.